Hello, you good citizens. I'm Yannick and you're not. It's Thursday night, or as we call it in Cologne, Vice Friday. That magical moment where the weekend starts one day early and logic politely excuses itself from the table. We're back at Störteplatz. Me, my friends, a tiny whoop and a suspiciously large amount of Atlantic ale. This flight is powered by hops and minimal self-control. Started out harmless, a little cruising, enjoying the warm night air, and then the city opened up like a playground. The streets and sidewalks are cool, but subway tunnels, this pilot is out of control. I'm still proud that I turned right to turn left. I'm like the Zoolander of FPV now. Eventually I found myself in a local shop, a temple of glass bottles, chilled dreams, a fluorescent lighting. The whoop got curious and peeked around. As I made my grand exit, some absolute legend tapped the drone on the head with a newspaper, like a drunk uncle telling me it's bedtime. Honestly, deserved. It's not always about clean lines or wild tricks. Sometimes it's about the chaos you collect along the way. A little blur, a little buzz, and a lot of beer. See you next time.